Kelvix indoor rated LED tape is reliable and delivers great results. Because of its small profile, narrow cut intervals, and ease of customizability, it can be an ideal solution for many of your project needs. Before we get started, it's important to go over a few safety precautions for installing the LED tape. To begin the installation, first, prepare the mounting surface by removing any dirt, debris, or moisture. Second, if necessary, cut the indoor LED strip to the desired length at the indicated cut interval. As noted before, make sure your power is disconnected during this step. Third, ensure the power feed on the LED strip is oriented towards the power source. Fourth, begin peeling back the protective liner to expose the adhesive. Adhere the LED strip to the previously cleaned, smooth, non-porous mounting surface by removing the liner in short increments. Fifth, go back along the length of the strip and gently press down to ensure secure adhesion and to remove any air pockets. Finally, power on the LED tape, and there you go. You've now installed Kelvix LED tape. If you have any questions, visit kelvix.com to learn more or schedule a private learning session with one of our lighting professionals.